In this video, I am going to show you exactly a simple strategy that is going to be extremely profitable for you if you watch this video very carefully. I am going to show you 20 right trades that we have made by providing copy trading service to our Telegram subscribers. Now, this strategy is so simple that even a beginner can implement it. As you can see in the screen right now, if you had made trade anywhere at here, then you could have made profit. The strategy is based on this simple concept. Of course, your trades are going to go wrong if you do over trading, okay? But in our copy trading service, we provide one session per day from Monday to Friday. That means we have a full control on how much we make the trade. So I would suggest you to keep patience and watch the video that I am going to show you. These are the trades that we have done in real. One trades, one time, one session a day, 3 trades per day, and all of those trades are recorded while we have been providing copy trading service to our VIP copy traders. Now, these thoughts are also posted in our YouTube channel. You can check those thoughts too, okay? And you will find this kind of pattern where we have made the trade, okay? And we also see various type of candlestick while doing trading. We keep patience, and that's how we provide the copy trading service. So our trading accuracy is extremely high, okay? And if you can implement it in your trading strategy, then it is also going to help you make more profit. Now I'll keep quiet and show you the video. And in case if you want to copy our trade automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, and do join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the first comment below and in the description below. Now let's get started.
If you want to copy my trades automatically, then you can join my free Telegram channel. I make $200 per trade, but you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200.
When you start to make your own rule and then follow that rule only and be disciplined trader, then only you are going to make profit consistently.